What a shocker, guys. This company, Vitrolife Group, that are specializing in helping out with reproductive health. So basically they're doing the consumables for IVF. They have technology to look at conception, and they have genetic mapping services. So they are basically crushing it in revenue, coming in higher than expected by the market, and having a small rally on the news before some bad news regarding CEO compensation caused the stock to go down a bit on Friday. So that's yesterday, the day they released their quarterly earnings. This stock is a favorite of mine since it's riding one of the global megatrends with the rise of the economy, the way that society works today, and the way we prioritize and plan our lives. Let's take a quick look at the highlights, and I will tell you guys about the bad news that caused the stock to dip once the market found out about it. So in terms of the report here for the first quarter, I think it's excellently summarized in the report here with a good start to the year. And indeed, it was a good start. Sales of 854 million kroner, an increase of 14%. And in terms of raw numbers, this is a little bit more than 100 million Swedish kroners. So big increase in revenue. And as we can see, it's quite profitable if we look at EBITDA margin here of 33%. It's almost like it's a technology company in terms of those sweet margins that they have, and this is why we see such a high multiple put on this company. The fast revenue growth and the high margins. We see profitability. Operating cash flow increased to 160 million from 90, so earnings are growing quickly as expected. Net income 99 million here from 82 in the first quarter of last year, so a big increase in that as well. So earnings per share 0.75, an increase by 23%. This is earnings, not revenue, just fantastic growth. But in terms of bad news that caused the stock to dip, that's when the market learned about the compensation package of the previous CEO that he got for retiring. He basically got 17 millions, and there was some whining about this online, as we have never seen CEO salaries being absolutely ginormous before. It almost feels like it's the market standard right now, and we shouldn't be surprised when we see just bigger and bigger golden parachutes for the C-level. But let's get back to business. It's a good start to the year. We see them beating market in terms of revenue, and in my opinion, I believe that this stock will only continue to perform fantastic from here. We've seen the revenue growth even in harder times, and this is one of my bigger bets. I bought a lot when it absolutely tanked in the recession that we had, where all the stocks basically tanked, and there was an opportunity to find a lot of good stocks cheaply. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed me covering this company. It's an interesting company indeed. It's riding one of the megatrends, as always. Hope you guys make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.